So, Unit 3, a real world interfacing ARM7 based microcontroller. It's programming. So, here for the first program is program to demonstrate the LED blinking. The port 1 pins are configured as a GPIO using pin select register, and then their direction is set as output using IO-DIR register. The LEDs are turned on by sending a high pulse using IO-SET register. After some time, the LEDs are turned off by sending the low pulse using IO-CLR register. So, basically, this program is related to the LPC214A, and it is widely used IC from ARM7 family. Here the coding related to this is given here. It is manufactured by the Philips, and it is preloaded with many built peripherals and making it more efficient and reliable option for the beginners as well as high-end application developer. LED does not emit white light, but the LEDs emit merely a monochromatic light, so making them highly efficient for the colored light applications such as the traffic light and exit signs. To be used as a general light source, white light is needed. So white light can be achieved with LEDs in three ways. The phosphor conversion, in which the phosphor is used on or near the LED to convert the colored light to white light. RGB system, in which light from the multiple monochromatic LEDs is mixed resulting in white light. A hybrid method which uses both phosphor converted and monochromatic LEDs. The potential of the LED technology is to produce high quality white light with unpretended energy efficiency is the primary motivation for the instance level of the research. So here is a program given to this. So if we have a ready-made board, then just connect P1.16 pin with 1K resistance to 5 volt supply. When P1.16 status is high, that is plus 5 volt, then LED will not glow, and when this is low, then the status LED will glow. Now P1.16 and it is general purpose input output digital pin GPIO, the standard input output port with the internal pull-up. The IO pin, that is the current state of the GPIO configured port pin, can always be read from this register regardless of pin direction. So they are IO0 pin and IO1 pin, port 0 and port 1. IO-DIR, this is GPIO port direction and control register, and this register individually controls the direction of each port pin. IO-DIR, that is for port 0, and IO1-DIR, that is for port 1. So in microcontroller, the pins are divided into different ports. Usually 32-bit microcontroller will have 32 pin per port, and for LPC2148 we have two ports P0 and P1. So each pin of this port are named as P0.0, P0.1, P0.2, P1.0 and P1.2, etc. So pin select takes usually most of the pins of the ARM7 microcontroller is multifunctional, and every pin can be made to perform one of the assigned function by setting particular bits of pin select register. So the register pin select 0, it is pins P0.0 to P0.15, pin select 1 it has P0.16 to 31, pin select 2 it has P1 pin. Here IOX select, this is a GPIO output set register. This register is commonly used in the conjunction with IOX clear register, and so writing 1 to this register sets the output high corresponding to port pin, while writing 0 has no effect. Also IOX clear, it is a GPIO output clear register. So writing 1 to this register clears the corresponding port pins, while writing 0 has no effect. Also IOX set, it is GPIO output set register. This is commonly used in conjunction IOX pin, this is GPIO port pin value register. It is used to read the current state of the port pins regardless of the input or output configuration, and it is also used to write the status high or low of the output pins. So here first hash include lpc214x.h world, then display on first row, that is welcome, and on the second row display binary updates, then IO0 dir. So configure this P1.24 and P1.25 as output. Then IO1's clear P1.24 and 0.25, then IO0 dir, then configure this P0.15, 0.17 and 22, and then clear all these. So LED is connected to pin 16 of the port 1 via currently metering register, and 12 MHz crystal is connected to the oscillator pin, and it will provide the necessary clock of the operation of the microcontroller. So we can use the UART lines using Flash Magic tool, and if we are using a development board or the LPC 2148, we don't need to worry about the circuit diagram. This will be already connected, so just make sure that the LED is connected to the pin provided in the C diagram. So here the code for this send command on the data line lines like D4 to D7 is given here. So it is a command. Here the IO select, IO clear, IO set, all these registers are used. So here IO set IO select, so set 1, then IO clear, then clear 0, then send data on the data lines D4 to D7. So this is the code. So here set 1 I have set, so it is set 1, RS is set high for the data register, then there is a delay is given here, then again clear clear it, then again there is a delay, and set 1 enable delay clear 0, then command is given, there is a delay of 250. Now this diagram shows the LPC2148 interfacing with GLCD. So This diagram shows the LPC21 interfacing with GLCD. So here LPC2148 is connected to the graphical display. The LPC2148 consists of pins of port 0 from 13 from it has been 13, 14, 8, 15, 12. Also pin number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. These pins are connected to the different pins of the graphical display. Here 3.3 volt supply is given to the LPC2148. Also crystal oscillator is connected. Now the algorithm for this is that first is start. Initially define the hardware of interfacing diagram. Then initialize the GLCD by selecting the functions of LPC2148 pins at GPIO. Then set the direction of the pins as an output pin and send commands to the GLCD to turn on both the halves of the GLCD. Then set Y address, that is column. Then set X address page, set Z address start of the line. Then next is call the function GLCD clear, or if column number is less than 64 then turn on left half of display, else turn on the right half second command to GLCD through a command function to set Y address, that is column, set as X address page, and then first send 0 data to GLCD to clear the left half display first and then second half. The GLCD command function clear the command value available on the data pins first and then shift the command value by 16 bits to left side to get available on pin 0 to 16 to pin 0 to 23. So make RS pin is 0, high to low pulse on enable pin. Next step is GLCD data function. Here we have to clear the data available on the data pins first, then shift the data by 16 bit to the left side to get available on. Then GLCD command function clear the command value available on the data pin first, then shift the command value by 16 bit to the left side to get available on P0.16 to 23 and make RS pin 0 high to low pulse on enable pin. Then GLCD data function clear the data available on the data pins first, then shift the data by 16 bit to the left side to get available on P0.16 to P0.23. Make RS pin 1 high to low pulse on enable pin. Also call GLCD string function, which is same of GLCD clear all function, and display image which is stored in an image array of the sketch file, and then end. Then next is the program. So here is the program, that graphics LCD interfacing with LPC 2148. So here P0.16 to 23, these are LCD data lines. P08 RS pin, P0.12 is enable pin, P0.13 CS1, P0.14 CS2, P0.15 RW. So these are the lines. So first step is initializing. So it comes hash include image.h. Now here first define CS1, CS2, then GLCD command function, that is void GLCD command. This is GLCD command function. Then next is IO select to command 0, copy the command on data pin, and IO0 CL R0 RS, make RS load to select command register. The next copy the command on the data pin using IOSet 0. Next RS load to select command register IOCL R0. Then next is make RW load to select write operation, and make high to low transition on enable pin. Then next GLCD data function, copy data on data pin, make RS high to select data register, make RW low to select write operation and to low transition on enable pin. Next is GLCD interface initialize function. So for that we have to set here Y address, X address and Z address. Y address means column, X address means page, and Z address means start line. And next is display all. So GLCD all display clear function. Then next is print 16 days. If yes, then change the segment controller and set Y address. Then there is a increment page address is given using GLCD command. Then if yes, then the change the segment controller and set Y address column 0. Now next is GLCD string write function. So for that, first print 16 pages, that is 8 pages of each of the half of the display. If yes, then change the segment controller and set Y address, increment page address. So instructions for this is given GLCD command. And the last is the LCD delay function. So for that, first is a void delay integer k, integer a and b. For a0, a less than equal to k, a plus plus. Similarly for b, int main void. So first we have to initialize the GLCD, then clear all GLCD display, and then display the image on GLCD display. First we have to initialize it. For that, GLCD initialize function, then clear all GLCD display. For that we have to clear GLCD clear all, and then GLCD string image, display image on GLCD display while. So this is this program is for the LCD delay function. This is LCD delay function. Next is 4x4 keypad interfacing with LPC2148. Now here diagram for this 4x4 keypad is shown here. What is keypad? Keypad is an input device to read the key pressed by the user and to process it. 4x4 keypad consists of 4 rows and 4 columns. The switches are placed between the rows and columns. A key press establishes a connection between corresponding row and column between which the switch is placed. In order to read the key press, we need to configure the rows as output and column as an input. The columns are read after applying a signal to the row in order to determine whether or not a key is pressed, and if pressed, which key is pressed. For more information about keypad and how to use it, we have to use a 4x4 keypad in the sensor and module section. So this diagram shows interfacing 4x4 keypad with LPC2148. So here LPC2148 is connected to the 4x4 keypad using P0.8 pin, P0.9, P0.10, P0.11. So these 4 pins are connected to 4x4 keypad. Also P0.12, 13, 14, 15 are also connected to keypad. 3.3 volt supply is given to LPC2148. Now the next, so this program is for the interfacing of 4x4 keypad. Here is the program for 4x4 keypad interfacing with LPC2148. So it is here, first is the initialization, then next is the unsigned character row data, column data, unsigned character, message of 4x4, then void main, then next is the development ARM LPC2148 keypad demo. So here is the delay is given, unsigned int ij for I equal to 0, I less than 35, I plus plus, and for j it is equal to 0, j less than 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and j plus plus plus. So this is a program for the interfacing of 4x4 keypad with LPC2148. So this lecture consists of programming of LPC 2148. Thank you.